Now that we have the hinge bolt in, the next step is to put on the hoist head. And the first part of that is to elevate this, put a support under it, and then we need to attach, here's the hoist head. Again, you need to be careful with various parts. But what you're going to be doing is putting this on the top of it, the column. And it is a tight fit. So once you get it on there, it should move down. Okay, it's all the way down. And then you have these two bolts that are 3/4 inch. Once you know it's all the way down, you can tighten them nice and tight. So now it's nice and tight. Make sure you put it on so that the cable will be able to run down the front of the column. Right here. After you've done that part, the next part is to put on the rain protector. So we'll do that next. 2 bolts with washers and lock nuts. Okay. Now I have